Hi guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I am making pure, homemade coconut oil. We are going to need 3 coconuts. Coconuts help moisturize and repair damaged hair. Many people praise coconut oil for its health benefits, including antimicrobial and antioxidants. Coconut oil improves skin health and can improve oral health when used for oil pulling. You need to blend the jelly of the coconuts. Strain the coconut. Refrigerate the coconut water in order to separate the oil. Boil until the oil starts to come up. Wait until it cools and strain it. And voila! Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.